GOOACC 3PCS clip pliers set and fastener remover, auto upholstery combo repair kit with storage bag for car door panel dashboard. Heavy-duty durability, made of No.65 manganese steel bar. It's much tougher than common carbon steel pliers. Ergonomic design, polypropylene ethylene, PPE, handle, anti-skid and no grinding to hands. Comfortable handheld for a breeze removal of staples, plastic bolts, door panels, dashboard and other upholstery. Effective effort saving. Adopts labor-saving lever and spring-loaded design of the plier with 5.5 long handle. Simply get all stubborn clips removed without damage, a real time and effort saver. Only 1 to 2 mm thickness of the plier head. Easily slide into confined areas, suitable for many types of round and square clips, fasteners and plastic rivets. Multiple uses. It's not only great for automotive interior and exterior trimming work, but also can be used as a bike tire remover and pushpin puller. Bonus, a washable canvas bag for easy storage. Click the link in the description to get this product.